began as a failed chemistry experiment. Two scientists were just trying to understand why life exists at all. But what they discovered was the hidden code of humanity. A code so powerful it connects every single one of us, from the first humans on Earth to the person sitting right next to you. This is the story of how a mistake revealed the truth about life itself and proved that we are all, quite literally, one family. It's the 1940s. The world is at war, and scientists are racing to invent bombs, planes, machines. But a small group of biologists had a much stranger question. What makes something alive? Some believed life was powered by mysterious, vital forces. Others thought it was chemistry, just the right molecules in the right place. But nobody knew what actually carried the blueprint of life, the instructions that built you, me, and every living thing. Until one experiment changed everything by accident. In 1944, three scientists, Oswald Avery, Colin MacLeod, and Macklin McCarty, were studying bacteria that caused pneumonia. They were trying to figure out what made one strain deadly and another harmless. They thought the answer would be proteins because everyone believed proteins carried life's instructions. But when they removed everything except a strange, sticky substance called DNA, the deadly bacteria still transformed. The discovery didn't make sense. DNA looked too simple, just 4 chemicals repeated endlessly. It couldn't possibly hold the complexity of life, right? Wrong. That failed chemistry experiment revealed that DNA was the real code of life, and it would take just one more discovery to uncover its structure, the key that unlocked evolution itself. Fast forward to 1951. In a small lab at Cambridge University, two men, James Watson and Francis Crick, began their own race to solve the mystery of DNA. But they weren't the only ones. Across the hall, a quiet genius named Rosalind Franklin was using X-ray crystallography to capture images of DNA's shape, shadows that could reveal its structure. One night, Franklin's assistant showed her photograph, Photo 51, to Watson without her permission. That image changed everything. Within weeks, Watson and Crick built a model, 2 spiraling strands twisting around each other. The double helix. "We have discovered the secret of life," Crick said. But history forgot to mention Franklin's name. Her data had made the discovery possible, but credit went to others. DNA's structure was found, and the story of its discovery was rewritten. That simple spiral of 4 letters, A, T, C, and G, changed everything. Scientists realized those letters were a language, a set of instructions written inside every cell, from trees to tigers to humans. What separates you from a banana? Just about 50% of your code. What separates you from another human? Less than 0.1%. DNA didn't just explain how life works. It revealed something far deeper, that we are all connected by the same thread of life, woven over billions of years. Every ancestor you've ever had, every species that ever lived, is part of the same story, written in the same alphabet. Today, we use DNA to solve crimes, cure diseases, trace ancestry, even bring back extinct species. But it also changed something deeper, our sense of self. Before DNA, we thought life was divided, species, races, nations. After DNA, we realized we're all variations of the same pattern. Every human alive today shares a common ancestor less than 200,000 years ago. Look around you. Everyone you see is family, the same ancient spark that built stars, built us. DNA wasn't just the discovery of life's code, it was the moment humanity realized we are one story, the same code, in a billion different forms. And that may be the most beautiful invention of all. If you believe every invention hides a secret, hit subscribe and follow for more.